I mean, they all must have left.
Yes, because they never wanted a woman to be their boss.
Yeah.
That time it was ruled with Shetties.
So you're not
So-
insecure about it?
क्या इनसिक्योरिटी करना है मैम? जो मेरे भाग में लिखा है वो कोई और लेके नहीं जा सकता.
क्या बात.
Be a woman, yeah.
Uh-huh.
Don't try to be a man.
Uh-huh.
अच्छा रहता है.
Welcome, Megha, and so very happy to have you here.
Namaste,
and
ma'am.
I'm so honored that you took out time to be with us.
Thank you. It is a great pleasure. Always. Pleasure is always mine to be in Chrysalis and with Chrysalians.
Great. So before we go into a nice conversation, just a little bit of what exactly you are into. What do you do? Your company?
Yeah.
And yeah.
So I'm into catering services. So I'm not a hotelier.
Okay.
गरीब बिचारी catering हूँ. Catering services करती हूँ.
Okay.
So I cater to educational institutes and hospitals.
Okay.
Basically, my education background is I'm a dietitian by profession.
Okay.
And I learned quantity cookery and I learned therapeutic foods. So
Okay.
that's how I first got into hospitals.
हाँ.
And
Because
then
there they have the
Yes.
dietary requirements.
Yes. That was the start of my journey.
ठीक है. So from there to converting it into a business?
Now into a business, of course. I was
Okay.
a 10% partner to a Shetty.
Okay.
And I would do my, diet food.
हाँ.
जैसे salt restricted diets हैं.
ठीक है.
कोई liver patient का diet है. So, fat free diets. I started doing that. Normal, simple घरगुती थाली जो रहती है वो. Because the Shetty didn't know how to make a aloo gobi also.
ठीक बात है.
आलू गोभी करना है तो आलू भी फ्राई करो, गोभी भी फ्राई करो और दे दो पेशेंट्स को. So that was his way of doing it, definitely. But then that's how I started. And then, of course, because I came from the nutrition background, we also formulated the rice tube feeding. Rice tube, that's like, the tube feeding from here. Okay. It requires certain amount of protein, certain amount of carbohydrates. Achha. Each patient has different requirements.
Achha.
So we have to create that liquid form.
Okay.
So I was doing that.
Achha. Okay.
And then I was also taking learnings from Shetty.
Right.
Who was pro in idlis, vadas and quantity cookeries. And of course his way of making aloo gobi also.
Okay.
So that's how I started my journeys.
And then when did you go full-fledged on your own?
So what happened was I was in Dinanath working with Mr. Ganesh Shetty. I call him my guru.
Okay.
He had a very funny way of talking though.
Okay.
So, क्यों क्या कर रहा है इधर? समझा नहीं क्या हो गया ना? तुम जाओ ना काम कर. क्या काम है तुम्हारा इधर? So I would say, अन्ना थोड़ा देखने दो, करने दो, थोड़ा काम करना है, थोड़ा करने दो. चुपचाप उधर रुक के काम करो. So I would just sit there and listen and do whatever it is.
ठीक है.
But I don't know, in 3-4 years down the line, the Mangeshkar family had some split with the Shetty.
Okay.
And I was called to the boardroom.
Okay.
Where Didi was sitting.
Achha.
And Pandit Rudranath Mangeshkar was sitting. And they said that, I remember Didi saying, Megha, तू एकटं करशील ना सगळं.
अच्छा.
So I didn't know where I got the guts from. I said, करूँगी नहीं करूँगी. हाँ बोलने में क्या हर्ज है? So I said, हाँ करूँगी. So that's how I started. But by the time I came down, the news had reached that Shetty is resigning.
Okay.
And he had this whole clan of Shetty.
Achha.
And they all left.
They all left. I mean, they all must have left.
Yes, because they never wanted a woman to be their boss.
Yeah.
That time it was ruled with Shetties.
Okay. And the entire chefs and the
most of
waiters,
them,
everybody
most of them left
from the community. Okay.
Then I had a big challenge.
Okay.
But जिसका कोई नहीं होता खुदा होता है.
क्या बात?
जब नेकी करो ना, तो always there is this unknown strength that you have, and that's called God. पता नहीं कहाँ से, मतलब 2-3 बच्चे आ गए, मैम करेंगे उसमें क्या है?
अच्छा.
अरे करूया चला करूया.
अरे वाह.
So I said चलो करते हैं.
ठीक है.
So then I started doing it and I just got into it, and of course I was taking a lot of effort that time into cooking.
So that was the only thing that you had.
I had only that
started.
much that
Mangeshkar
time.
Hospital.
Mangeshkar Hospital was the only thing I had that time.
ठीक है.
वहाँ से फिर नींबू पानी से लेके सब रेसिपीज मेरे मम्मी के, मेरे मदर इन लॉ के, ये सब ऑथेंटिक फूड रेसिपीज जो है वो हम लोगों ने वहाँ पे चालू किए. And one day some student came looking for me. Okay. So are you the one who's cooking here?
Okay.
So I said, yeah. So he was a MBA student of symbiosis.
अच्छा.
उनका कोई तो भी एक बंदा fracture होके ऊपर he was admitted.
Okay.
So they came down to eat food and they really enjoyed the food.
अच्छा.
So saying कौन खाना बनाता है यहाँ पे? हमारा जो caterer है बहुत खराब है.
अरे बाप रे.
So उन्होंने मुझे पकड़ लिया. I said भाई मुझे नहीं आता ये सब कुछ. Because in Dinanath it was a very what do you say closed community for me. I was taken care of. It was a labor contract. बेसिकली वो सब सामान लाते थे, मैं खाना पकाती थी, मैं सर्विस देती थी.
ओके.
सो ये सब लाने का, मटेरियल लाने का, वो सब मेरा प्रॉब्लम नहीं था.
You just had the chefs and the service.
Yeah, and I had to cook. I had to cook for so many people. वो अंदाजा था.
Okay.
But you know, create a you know सामान लाना ये वगैरह, it was very difficult. I said मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगी ऐसे. उसमें क्या है मैम? अच्छा. We will do the costing for you. Okay. They were MBA students.
हाँ तो उनके पास तो they had all the work
they had
to do.
So they will take this as a project, ma'am. चलो. अच्छा. So they took me as a project.
Okay.
And they said, okay, you put this as a rate. हाँ. आपको ये रेट ठीक रहेगा. हम इतना पैसा भरते हैं, आप इतना रेट डालो, आपका इतना प्रॉफिट रहेगा, इतना. So they took it as a project.
Okay. Wow.
And I would go for the meetings. I would come out and they said, उन्होंने ऐसा ऐसे पूछा मुझे. So
they became your teachers.
They became my teachers. So saying, ma'am, उनको बोलो इससे तो नीचे जा ही नहीं सकते हम.
So you were talking to the college management.
To college management. So ये सब कुछ करके finally I got that.
अरे that's interesting.
So it was fun, like you know, and then I was there Aunt Agony also. Okay. मैं hospital जाती थी तो वहाँ पे अलग ही माहौल था, you know. Cooking was through soulful cooking. बहुत सारे लोग थे where you know somebody is not well and all that. यहाँ पे आ जाओ तो इतने girlfriends, boyfriends. अरे इसने उसको ditch किया, ये किया. Then sometimes they used to have their exam tensions. I would be sitting there, like they would come and say, "Ma'am ऐसे हो गया, ma'am वैसे हो गया." So it was a very nice. I was enjoying this. Only these two.
You were enjoying both the worlds over there.
I don't know where I went to Vidya ma'am, that from Symbiosis, and I said, I want to do Hyderabad, ma'am.
Okay.
So she said, are you sure you'll do it? I said, हाँ एक दिन में दे देती हूँ खाना आपको. And they were looking for a caterer.
अच्छा. So
जब भी वो बहुत बड़ी कंपनी होती है, जैसे campus करके एक कंपनी है, and they chose between the two of us.
Campus is another catering.
Another catering. It's into crores. I mean, it's a listed company.
Okay.
I was not. I was still smaller. I mean, then. So then they said कि you know, so they had a lot of what do you say, systems to be first to say yes that we'll go and cook. तो उनको बहुत urgently वो चालू करना था. There were only 90 students in Hyderabad.
Okay.
Initially.
Okay.
And so they said कि either of the two who's ready. I said tomorrow my people will go and cook. Day after tomorrow you will get food.
Okay.
So they couldn't do that
because of
they have a lot of systems. Yeah. Right. So I was the owner.
ठीक है.
Proprietor.
You took the call.
बस चलो बैठो सब गाड़ी में एक ट्रॉली लेके आओ, एक ट्रक भरो, बच्चे भरो, चलो जाओ मैं आती हूँ वहाँ पे. Third day we were cooking there.
Okay.
So that's how it was like, you know, people also wanted to grow and I also had, then my children were growing.
Sometimes वो decision making जल्दी होता है ना जब
कभी-कभी
things
like
forward,
it's faster, no?
Yeah, it's faster.
Faster. So this is what I grew into then. It was like from hospitals I went into educational institutes.
So right now you have hospitals and
educational institutes.
क्या बात है.
I also have an educational institute called now PGKM, which was missing. It was for tiny tots.
Okay.
So right from kindergarten to now the 8th standard.
So it's a different kind of cooking, na? That is required.
Absolutely.
The students require a different thing.
They require very, and they are also very sweet. आते मैं चली जाती हूँ तो they will come give me hugs. Ma'am वड़ा पाव खिलाओ ना, ma'am वड़ा पाव खिलाओ ना. But their nutritional needs are there.
Yes.
Then you know the evening snacks. So my innate what do you say? I wanted to cook these chudas and ladus, which I couldn't cook here.
Right.
Because college students don't want that.
Right.
पर इनके लिए मठरी बनाओ. तो कोई you know nutritious laddu banao.
Right.
Every evening snacks के लिए. So we are doing that now. So
how do you train your chefs? I mean, do they have to undergo something, or is there a structure to
yes, of
where
course,
they are going to be placed? And what
Yeah,
are they
so
going
when
to
I
do?
was doing this, I was like, cooking is all about emotions and all that and all that. At one point, I had to get a consultant in my company. So he realized that this lady is only into cooking, and she's sitting like a mother hen everywhere, wherever the cooking is going on.
Okay.
So then he said कि सेठ ऐसे नहीं करते.
हाँ.
आपको जो कुछ भी रेसिपी है ना, आप लिख के ले लो.
ठीक है.
So I said नहीं ऐसे कुकिंग कभी नहीं होता. ऐसे होता है, दिल से होता है. ऐसे कुछ नहीं. आपका दिल थोड़ा बाजू में रखो, थोड़ा, and then we had a major fight on, I remember, कोथिंबीर वड़ी. I wanted to give a my कोथिंबीर वड़ी is good. He said आपने पानी नहीं लिखा इसमें. अच्छा, पानी कौन लिखता है?
रेसिपी में पानी नहीं लिखा.
पानी लिखो, कितना पानी डालते हो लिखो उसमें. So then I realized, मतलब मैंने लिखा था अंदाज से पानी डालो. Then I also realized कि because वो softness अंदर से और बाहर से crispness रहने तो उतना ही पानी डालना चाहिए.
अंदाजे से नहीं लिख सकते ना.
अंदाजे से नहीं लिख सकती मैं. So I did that.
Okay.
So we did a lot of back-end work on all this. So we do have all these recipes.
So your recipes are written there, somewhere, documented. Because if you're growing, then you can't expect, na. वो सही है. Like a hen, you cannot.
And अभी तो इतना है कि परसों I met one of my, he was my cook, तो मेरा, and now he's become an entrepreneur. So उसने अपना खुद का खोल लिया था.
क्या बात है.
So कहीं जाना था जैसे कि अरे तुम मैम की रेसिपी इतने ग्राम उपमा ये ऐसे बनाओगे कभी खराब नहीं होगा. इतना पानी लो, इतना नमक लो. I was wondering, I said, oh, he has those recipes. It was so nice. I said, भाई रमेश, तुम्हारे पास अभी वो बुक है? He हाँ, मेरे पास अभी भी बुक है. So then I realized that all of them have that. So it's there.
So you're not insecure about it?
क्या insecurity करना है मैम? यहाँ जीना है, यहाँ मरना है. अगर हम लोगों ने अपने पास जो है वो नहीं दिया तो कहाँ से ग्रो होगा?
ये बहुत बड़ी बात है. Because I've seen so many entrepreneurs, they stick on to their something which is just with them, that somebody else could just
I don't think इतनी insecurity मुझ में तो है ही नहीं. But I think even मनीष सर ने हमको बोला था, अगर आप लोगों ने गधे पालने हैं तो पालो. अगर आपने उनको ट्रेनिंग नहीं दी तो imagine what kind of a chaos you'll be having.
क्या बात है.
तो ये कुकिंग का मेन है कि पूरा हार्ट दे दो.
पूरा हार्ट दे दो,
कुछ नहीं होने वाला. जिसको जितना मिलना है ना वो रब ने देखना है. जो मेरे भाग में लिखा है वो कोई और लेके नहीं जा सकता.
क्या बात.
तो वो तो 100% है. वो कुछ नहीं होता. एंड जब खाना बनाना है और देना है तो दिल से ही करना पड़ता है. ये रेसिपी अगर सो ये पूरा देना चाहिए. बट आई डू हैव ऑल माय रेसिपीज.
वेरी नाइस.
एंड वी डू आल्सो हैव लाइक व्हेन आई वेंट टू PGKM, थैंक्स टू द मैनेजमेंट देयर, they also taught me something. They said कि रेसिपीज तो है ही मैम, फोटोग्राफ्स निकालो उसके. दिखना कैसा है.
Okay.
The look of it also.
The look of it.
So I have started doing that. So that portfolio is also being created now.
तो अच्छा होता है कि वो डॉक्यूमेंटेशन हो जाता है.
तो ये छोटा जो रेसिपी रहता है 100 ग्राम्स का, वही 1 kg के लिए नहीं होता है. It's never that
कि आप एक्सट्रापोलेट कर दो.
वो नहीं होता है.
Okay.
So when it's quantity cookery, it's 2 kgs and ahead.
Okay.
So we have recipes like that.
Like that.
2 kgs and ahead.
Okay. Very
because we have 600 students at one place, we have 1200 students at the other place, 1500 at other place.
एकदम different ball game.
So different ball game है ना पूरा का पूरा.
बिल्कुल.
And plus every catering unit of mine has different clientele.
Okay.
जैसे when I go to Simsio, वहाँ पे जो है they are very North Indian people.
अच्छा.
So वहाँ पे खाना ही अलग बनता है. वहाँ पे राजमा छोले. If I go to Dinanath, I can't sell राजमा छोले. हो ही नहीं सकता. तिथे वरण भात, बटाट्याची भाजी, all that has to be there. म्हणजे उपमा पोहे आणि असं.
Right.
If I go to Hyderabad, oh my God, it is completely different. उनकी बिरयानियाँ अलग रहती है. We have a spicy counter there because they have really spicy food.
Yeah.
They have real spicy food.
So you have to understand the demography of the place.
Yes, and then you know when somebody comes to you that हमको आपके यहाँ पे खाना बनाना है या whatever it is, तो उनका पल्स देखना बहुत जरूरी कि ये क्या बना सकता है,
ठीक बात,
क्या नहीं बना सकता है.
बात है. वो मैकेनिज्म होना जरूरी है.
हाँ, and then you put them into that category. तो उसके स्ट्रेंथ देख के उसको वहाँ डाल दो, ना कि भाई उसको सिखाओ. इतनी एनर्जी नहीं होनी चाहिए. इसको ये 100% आएगा, उसको उधर डालो. एंड देन चलने दो।
So you need to understand कि आपका जो बंदा है ना वो किस तरह का है,
वो
फिर आप अकॉर्डिंगली
हाँ,
उसको उसमें फिट करो ना।
तो ये जो हम लोग बोलते हैं ना कि लोगों को घुमाना चाहिए अपने अपने इसमें, वो इनफैक्ट इट बिकम समटाइम्स डिफिकल्ट।
Okay.
जो वहाँ पे मैनेजर है दीनानाथ में, ही कैन नेवर बी ओके इन अ नॉर्थ इंडियन सेटअप।
राइट,
वो मराठी बोलेगा वहाँ पे, करणार नाही, जमणार नाही, होणार नाही। only Maharashtrians would understand this, होणार नहीं, जमणार नहीं, करणार नहीं, it's not bad, it's practical, that ये नहीं होगा। यहाँ पे हाँ जी देखते हैं, करते हैं, देखेंगे जी,
there is a different way of saying the same thing,
but there's a different way of saying, they might call him crass, so I can't do all this,
right। कितना important aspect है ना ये कि
बिल्कुल
आपकी upbringing, आपका culture, आप कहाँ से हो, तो उस हिसाब से you fit into a certain environment।
Absolutely,
very
so that
interesting।
is what you look at and
बहुत बढ़िया, very interesting। I have known you for quite some time now and you are a people's person। और हम अभी जब बात कर रहे थे what you were sharing, so I thought that I would want to record it। So you moved from a team of 50 people to a team of 400 people।
Yes।
And when you start, then everybody is very close to you, things come to you, you have a connect, and the kind of person you are, I'm sure you have had a lot of connect। So from 50 to 400, then how do you take care of either having a connect or having no connect at all?
No,
how do
you always have to have a connect, but there is a balance that you have to keep। जब 50 लोग रहते हैं तो वो अपने अपने रहते हैं, तो अपने को मैंने बोला, like I always say कि when I had these 50 people like a mother hen, I would always sit and talk to them। तुम्हारे इतने बच्चे हैं, अच्छा क्या हो रहा है उनके साथ, अच्छा बीवी के साथ नहीं जम रही है, नहीं तुम उसको लेके आओ। so ये सब करना ही है, उनके साथ सब बातचीत करनी है। बट वो 50 से 100 हो गए तो भी मैं वही कर रही थी, पर मेरा टाइम उसमें जो जा रहा था, दैट वाज क्वाइट अ लॉट। राइट, मतलब मैं अपना काम कब करूं, इनके प्रॉब्लम्स कब सॉल्व करूं, एंड मैं अपने घर के प्रॉब्लम्स कब सॉल्व करूं। ठीक बात, मेरे अपने भी बच्चे हैं, मेरी अपनी भी सास है, बिल्कुल। सो ये सब करते करते आई यूज्ड टू गेट, आई वाज वेरी ह्यूजली कनेक्टेड टू दीस पीपल। आई रिमेंबर आई हैड वन कुक हु वाज प्रीटी ओल्ड, उसके बीवी को कुछ गायनेक प्रॉब्लम था। सो आई टोल्ड हिम ये गायनेक के पास जाओ और बोलो कि मैंने भेजा है। सो ही वाज ऑलवेज कॉलिंग मी अव्वा, दैट्स द नेम। सो ही वेंट एंड ही सेज अव्वा ने मेरे को बोला, अम्मा ने मेरे को बोला कि आपके पास लेके आओ। सो ही सेड ये अम्मा है कौन? सो ही सेइंग वो हमारी मैडम मेघा मैडम। सो शी टुक द फोन, ही सेइंग तुम 65 ईयर ओल्ड आदमी के अम्मा कब जान गई तुम? So I said, "अरे नहीं रहने दो, they all call me this." So then at one point I realized it was getting heavy, and then as I told you, my company grew, and there was so much of things that had to be done, like so much of work, जैसे ESI, PF, that's the reality check of business। उसमें नहीं कोई, वो भी मैं कर रही हूँ, क्लाइंट से भी मैं ही बात कर रही हूँ, तुम्हारे बच्चे कितने ये भी मैं ही बात कर रही हूँ। So it was
it becomes overwhelming,
very overwhelming। So when this person called Mr. Kannan Iyer came into our organization, हमारे organization में तो हड़ताल हो गई पहले,
because there is somebody who's come from outside,
हमारे मैम के हमारे बीच में, हम तो सिर्फ मैम को सुनेंगे, हम आपका नहीं सुनेंगे। ठीक बात है। तो पहले तो मेरे को थोड़ा बहुत उसको भी उसकी लैंग्वेज ट्रांसफॉर्म करनी पड़ी कि भाई आई गॉट दीज चिल्ड्रन अप इन अ वेरी, लाइक आई वर्कड एज अ वुमन, राइट। तो वो एक मैंने बहुत मदरली टच था ही, मतलब बहुत ही सिंपल बिहेव, मतलब भाषा से बात करते थे हम लोग।
और शायद जो लोग आपके साथ आते भी थे ना, तो वो भी दे वर नॉट लाइक प्रोफेशनल्स हैं कि
सिंपल बैकग्राउंड है। मतलब मेरे अभी भी मेरे को दीनानाथ में जो हमारा मैनेजर लेवल पे पहुंचा है, उसको हमने सिखा के ही हैड कम एज अ मोरी पर्सन, बर्तन घिसता था नागपुर का छोटा सा बंदा, अब ही इज अ मैनेजर। सो उसको भी सिखा पढ़ा के थोड़ा बहुत इंग्लिश ये वो ट्रेन्ड हिम, पर जैसे कोई बीच में आ गया तो बहुत बड़ा चेंज था। बिल्कुल। सो दैट टाइम वाज अ क्रूशियल टाइम फॉर मी आल्सो। एक तो लाइक आई सेड, आई वाज ओनली अ हिंड्रेंस टू माय ओन कंपनी, आई वांटेड द ग्रोथ ऑफ माय कंपनी, बट वो जो मैंने ये लाया था अपना एज अ कंसल्टेंट लाया था, उसको मैं बोल रही थी नहीं ऐसे मत करो, ऐसे करो, ऐसे मत करो, ऐसे करो। तो वो जब हम बात करते हैं कि why do we get frustrated with our own children, हमारी बात नहीं सुनते हैं तो we get frustrated because जान डाल के हम बोलते हैं कि भाई ऐसा करोगे तो गिर जाओगे, फिर भी बच्चे वही करते हैं, तो we get frustrated, we get angry. So same thing I was doing. That consultant was telling me, no, you need to be at the back end. You cannot get so involved.
Right.
सब advantage लेंगे, plus there you'll have no time, you'll have no me time. Thanks to that person, that my company came from person oriented to process oriented.
Okay.
पर वो जो ट्रांजिट था, वो हार नहीं मानने का, रोज उठ के जैसे सर बोलते है भाई जिंदा है, काम तो करना पड़ेगा, जो whatever is done we have to redo, undo. So वो करते करते taking it was a lot of effort. I will not say it was a very easy journey. I had to take those people into confidence. I had to tell him to be a little more smoother to my people, be a part of them, you know, understand where they're coming from. So ऐसे करते करते now it's like, you know, yes, now I'm a little free now because I don't have to look into like, you know, ये आदमी छुट्टी पे जा रहा है, इसका ये कोई गुजर गया है, ये कोई. Like the other day there was a problem. One of my person in my own unit, her drunkard husband came and hacked her. And she was in the hospital. But because we have these ESIC, because we have an HR, I was not here.
Okay.
But so many people took care of her. My company took care of her. Then I could go. Then I did take care of her. That personal touch always will remain. That will never
But at least that personal touch is supported by a lot of systems.
हाँ, कि मेरे आने से पहले बहुत कुछ क्लैरिटी हो गई थी, उसको ऑलरेडी फंड्स मिल गए थे, एवरीथिंग हैड हैपेंड, पुलिस कंप्लेन हो गई थी, वो आदमी के पीछे ये हुआ था, एवरीथिंग हैड हैपेंड.
राइट.
बट मेरे आने से पहले हो गया था ये सब कुछ. ऐसे नहीं कि मेरे आने तक रुको, आई हैड टू लीव दैट वर्क एंड कम.
राइट.
सो आई मीन आई फेल्ट दैट दिस इज अ लॉन्ग वॉक we have come through. It's beautiful like this also. Personal touch has to be there. But कहाँ तक कर सकते हो?
And I think a lot of entrepreneurs ना, they want to be free of these, you know, of the daily फावड़ागिरी जो हम कहते हैं. And then sometimes, you know, they just get in somebody from outside that he will come and, you know, take care of things. But it doesn't happen just like that. I think the way you played a role na, in sensitizing the team members, in helping that person make a place for himself. So वो एक balance बनाने में समय देना पड़ता है. Without any guarantee that he is going to be successful, but at least you just can't say कि मैंने पैसा दे दिया और मेरा काम खत्म हो गया. You have to work through it as a team.
मतलब हो ही गया था, हड़ताल तो हो ही गई थी मेरे इसमें.
अच्छा.
But I have to thank the hospital people also. Like ऐसा नहीं किया कि हड़ताल हुई है तो ये caterer को निकाल दो. So the hospital people had told me that time the name of my organization was Shivam.
Okay.
So they said कि how you survive in the system we will see. First we need to see that you are a soft target maybe, you know, right now. Somebody wants to get into a bigger this thing. So you don't worry. We'll have to see what we have to do. First we need to change the name of the company.
Okay.
Then see how. So we had a long process.
Okay.
So those 3 months
when the people were on strike.
Yes.
And you think that was the biggest obstacle or the biggest challenge of your life?
That was the biggest challenge of my life because जब हम बोलते हैं ना कि एम्प्लॉयज हमारे हैं, हमारे सब कुछ है, तो वो जब तक एक एम्प्लॉय आता नहीं है साइन करने के लिए कि वी आर नॉट अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस थिंग, तब तक वो आदमी हमारा नहीं है. यू रियलाइज दैट यू हैव टू मेंटेन दैट, यू नो, योर कंपनी इज ऑल्सो योर बेबी.
राइट.
इतने लोग हैं, हाँ, तो उनको बचाने के चक्कर में तुम्हारी कंपनी भी तो, यू नो, प्रॉब्लम्स में आ सकती है.
ओके.
तब your communication with the people.
Okay. So the main reason of they going on strike was this.
Because you know it was like
he was putting in systems.
Systems किसी को follow करने में अच्छा नहीं लगता है.
Okay.
हम सिर्फ मैडम का सुनेंगे. ये बंदा हटाओ.
Okay. So that was the reason why they went on strike.
Yeah. Okay. So like you know it was a simple thing कि Sunday है, चपाती में इतने लोग लगते ही नहीं है. हटाओ. तुम चपाती से निकलो, तुम ये काम करो. You're a kitchen person. That was the only thing.
Okay.
भाई मैं चपाती में हूँ तो चपाती ही करूँगा और इतना मेरे को पैसा मिलना ही है.
Okay. So छोटी-छोटी चीजें
होती हैं कि मैम ने ये कभी बोला नहीं हमको.
Okay.
So
So how did you come out of that phase of?
So that was
people?
talking to, first one person has to come from there.
Okay.
कि I'm ready to, ma'am, मैं आपके support में. But there were one person, I would love to take his name, called Dilip. वो आया, मैम मैं आपके साथ हूँ, and he was my main cook.
Okay.
ये सब पागलपंती है.
अच्छा.
इनको समझ में नहीं आ रहा, कोई और पैसे बनाएगा इसमें.
ठीक है.
So then, literally every day night, he would get 2 more people. Oh. Then I would talk to them. कि बेटा ऐसा नहीं है, ये बंदा गलत नहीं है. कंपनी को अगर ज्यादा पैसे बनाने हैं, तुमको अगर घर में ज्यादा पैसे आने हैं, तो ये सब करना जरूरी है. those days इतना नहीं रहता था, ये SIPF, ये वो. But अभी, so that is the time when I just grew from just one place to the other. Okay. Complete systems. Basic minimum wages, ये वो सब ला लिया मैंने अपनी कंपनी में.
So at any point of time you did not feel that क्यों कर रही हूँ मैं ये कंसर्ट, अच्छा खासा तो चल रहा था, ऐसा नहीं लगा that you want to give up on?
नहीं मैम, we don't give up on our babies, no. अब जब बच्चे भी बड़े होते, टीनेज टाइम,
नहीं, not on the team but on the consultant side, did you feel कि?
हाँ, तो मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था कि अगर ग्रो करना है,
हाँ,
तो जो मैं कर रही हूँ वो सही नहीं है. इतना मुझे मालूम था. That I knew that I was not doing the right thing.
Okay.
कि ऐसे तो मैं ग्रो नहीं कर पाऊंगी.
बिल्कुल.
If I have to grow certain things, I knew that he was talking right. His way of delivering things was wrong. ये भी मुझे समझ में आ रहा था. Now I had to mold that person. कि delivering आप मुझे छोड़ दो. What do you want me to tell my people?
Okay.
Let me be the voice, no?
Let me be the voice.
I will tell. आप सिर्फ मुझे बोलो कि ये बोलना है. I'll be a parrot. It's okay.
Okay. Great. So that worked. So
that worked.
You were the face, but then whatever was to be spoken was
there, and then everything
by him.
And now it's right.
Now it's happy. It's a happy place now.
It's a very happy place, and everybody swears by this person also. और जब भी कोई problem आता है तो पहले सब उसके पास जाते हैं कि सर ऐसे ऐसे हो रहा है.
So I think there is a lot to learn, that whenever you have somebody coming from outside, then a lot of support has to be given to that person. And वो होता है ना, साम दाम दंड भेद कुछ भी लगा के किसी तरह से तो भी उसको उसकी जगह बनानी पड़ती है. Because I think you had that clarity that if I have to grow, then I need to have my systems and processes.
And I have to mend that person. जैसे मैं बात करती हूँ, तो आप नहीं बात कर पाओगे मेरे जैसे.
There are women running businesses, catering businesses.
बहुत सारे हैं मैम अभी.
अच्छा.
Oh ma'am, so much nice to learn from them. They have more clarity than what I had. मैंने तो बहुत पापड़ बेले हैं सीखने के लिए.
So you have been now with the Mangeshkar Hospital for so many years, and you've met Lata Didi. So any experience that you would like to share about her, that interacting with her, and how was
she? I mean, उनको देख के तो माँ सरस्वती ही हम बोल सकते हैं कि she was there, know. And very recently she was extremely unwell, and she had stopped coming a lot to Dinanath because she was not well and all that. तो मेरे बेटे की शादी थी, तो I remember she said I want to see her daughter-in-law. Okay. So मैं caterer हूँ. Why would she even think of that? So when Bharti Bahini told me specifically, जा रहे हो तो अपने बहू को बोलो full sleeves पहनो, half sleeves ना पहने. अच्छा. So इतने छोटे छोटे चीजें. And then we went to meet her. Okay. So she was completely bent like this. So then we had to sit down in her. So my daughter-in-law, my son, and her parents, and we went. Okay. So she had so much to talk. Achha? So much to talk to them. Okay. And then she told them that I can't believe this little girl is going to be a mother-in-law now. And she also told them that I can tell you one thing. Your daughter is in the best hands.
अरे वाह.
I felt like
कितना अच्छा लगा होगा ना, coming from her.
Coming from her.
And
बढ़िया. She had already she knew that I love pohe. So she had already told that poha बना के रखो. And but such small things, छोटी चीजें.
I think that is what makes them so big,
Yes. So,
that they take care of small things.
They take real good care.
क्या बात है.
Like we have Pandit Hridaynath Mangeshkar and his wife Bharti Bahini. She has been a great support to us. Oh. She would always tell us, do this, don't do this, behave like this. So it was like every time this family has been there for me. Anything and everything, they've been there for me.
क्या बात है,
So that
amazing.
is another level confidence that you get, that you've got such big support.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, very nice. You've been a single mother.
Yeah.
So how has that? How have you managed your business and then taking care of the child and being there?
अभी
Anything?
वैसे भी याद नहीं आ रहा है कि कैसे मैंने किया है, बट आई नो दैट व्हेन यू आर 100% एवरीवेयर,
हाँ,
तो उसमें तकलीफ नजर नहीं आती है.
ठीक है.
कि जब वो प्यार वाला सीन रहता है ना, कि बच्चों को भी प्यार, बच्चों से भी बहुत ही प्यार रहता है,
हाँ,
कंपनी से भी बहुत ही प्यार रहता है, तो क्या है उसमें,
तो
मतलब
हो जाता था ऐसे, कभी
मतलब
लगता
I
नहीं
don't
था
think
कि
it
मैं
was
खिंच गई हूँ कि अभी इसको देखो, प्रायोरिटी दूँ, इसको प्रायोरिटी दूँ, जो होता है.
बट
हाँ,
you know, you realize that when a living object like your child needs you, then there is support system here.
ठीक है.
And with your children also.
Right.
Though I've been a single mother, I've created my support system.
Okay.
It's always good.
हाँ.
Maybe it's my ex-mother-in-law, whatever it is. मैं हमेशा, I have always, I think, I'm a person who operates out of love. तो वो एंगर, ये सब चीजें हैं ही नहीं मुझ में. तो हस्बैंड के साथ नहीं बनी है ना.
अच्छा,
ठीक है,
तो ठीक
तुम
है,
जाओ, तुम्हारी अपनी मर्जी जो है वो
हाँ,
है.
हाँ,
मेरी मदर इन लॉ से तो अच्छी बनती थी.
हाँ.
तो अगर कुछ है तो उसे माँ प्लीज टेक केयर ऑफ मधुरा, आई हैव टू गो हियर. शी सेड हाँ मोरे, आई विल डू इट, डोंट वरी.
क्या बात है.
सो आई हैव ऑलवेज हैड दिस सीन ऑफ taking care, I mean getting my support system wherever it is, because both are kids.
Yes.
They require that much of attention.
बिल्कुल.
So
I think that is something that we all need to have around us, our own ecosystem.
We have to create a support system for our own selves.
बिल्कुल. अगर हमें कुछ करना है तो फिर हमें बाकी चीजों के लिए तो कुछ ना कुछ रेडी करना पड़ेगा.
And as an intuitive person, as a mother, you know that this person will take care, this person will not take care of you.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
जो अपना खून रहता है वो अपने मदर इन लॉज ही रहते हैं, वो थोड़ी ही अपने बच्चों को यूज करेंगे. उसमें क्या है, मतलब
ठीक बात है.
जब चाहिए तब मैं, आई एम योर सपोर्ट सिस्टम, जब चाहिए तो आप मेरी सपोर्ट सिस्टम बन जाओ.
क्या बात है. तो COVID में when the school business was not there, so you were able to sail through that period, because it's a big
I was not. I'll tell you that it was a very rough phase for me, very rough phase for me. So not knowing what to do, but I just kept myself busy because एक तो दीनानाथ था ही.
Okay, so there was something which
it was very different, because I used to go there in the morning, see so many deaths and all that, come back, but my daughter wanted to make those pani puris and all that, where if the whole world was making, I couldn't do that.
Right.
I said, Madhura, I can't do it. You know, I'm not a switch on and switch off button. कि मैं इतने डेथ्स देख के आ रही हूँ, and then it is like ये
celebrative
ना हो पाएगा मुझसे. So yeah, we did have our rough phases then.
Okay. But business wise you were able to.
Okay ma'am, it was not this thing, but by God's grace, like I said, कि मैं तो believe ही नहीं करती कि अच्छे लोग होते नहीं है. मैं तो इतना believe करती हूँ कि अच्छे ही लोग रहते हैं दुनिया में. बहुत से लोग बोलते हैं ना, इतना दोगी सबको तो खुद के लिए क्या रखोगी, एंड कौन आएगा तुम्हारे बुरे वक्त पे. इतने लोग आए मेरे बुरे वक्त पे. अपने भाई वगैरह तो डेफिनेटली थे, मेरे अपने एम्प्लॉइज हुआ वर्किंग अब्रॉड. ओके, उन्होंने मेरे को फोन करके पूछा, मैम कुछ चाहिए तो बोल देना, हम करेंगे. सो मेनी पीपल केम, सो मेनी हेल्पिंग हैंड्स. थैंकफुली इतने लोगों की मेरे को मदद नहीं लेनी पड़ी, बिकॉज दीनानाथ वाज देयर. ब्रेड एंड बटर डेफिनेटली केम टू माय टेबल. माय पार्टनर, who was like I told you, he knows money, he understands money. He had saved for our rainy days. Right. Itna nahi tha, but we could manage. We could manage taking care of our employees, and we could manage taking care of ourselves. Great. But yeah, and to remain sane, I think there was a lot of work I had. Okay. Deenanath was giving me a lot of work.
ठीक बात है. And coming to having a partner, so is it that is there a problem with the alignment kind of a thing, or where you want to take Awaaz to the future, या फिर how have you divided the work, कैसा है?
मैम ऐसे बहुत से लोग जब बोलते हैं तो बोलते हैं कि भाई काम तो सब तू ही कर रही है, वो क्या कर रहा है? अच्छा तुमको क्या मालूम वो क्या कर रहा है? सबसे बढ़िया काम कर रहा है वो। कंपनी के फाइनेंस संभालना कोई आसान चीज नहीं है। मेरे साथ देखे देखो, मैं सबको बांट दूंगी, खत्म हो जाएगा सब कुछ। I know myself so well, so I said, y'all don't talk about my company.
Okay.
And that kid is also very nice.
Okay.
His name is Kumar Nishan.
So he's just taking care of the finance part.
But he's very focused on it.
Okay.
And I don't have any problem saying that, you know, वो एक ego आता है ना entrepreneur बनने का, कि मैं I can't ask, why not? जैसे कि if I say Maxi ये खर्चा है, मुझे इसके लिए पैसा चाहिए, so he may say कि अव्वा अभी पैसा नहीं है अपने पास, you can't do this.
Okay.
So we may fight, we may talk over it, we may come to some this thing. But ये लोग बोलते हैं कि तुमको क्यों पूछना है, तुम खर्चा करो ना, तुमको क्या? ऐसे भाई तुम लोग बाजू में रहो ना।
ठीक बात है।
मेरी कंपनी है, मैंने चूज किया हुआ है। I know what he has done, what he has got to the table. It was not easy,
right,
during COVID times. So well he has managed the money.
Right.
Like sir says, सब कुछ तुम्हारे पास थोड़ी ना होता है। किसी के स्ट्रेंथ्स है तो वो इस्तेमाल करो, किसी के वीकनेस देखने के लिए तुम्हारे पास टाइम नहीं है।
Any message, anything that you would like to share to women who are into business?
I think to women I would only say be a woman, yeah. Don't try to be a man. तुम्हारी वो DNA ही नहीं है तो क्यों? Why do you want to be a man in a woman's this thing? अच्छा रहता है। She's got multi facets. She's so beautiful. She can think for you. She can think for herself. And love is one factor a woman has. मैं तो बोलती हूँ 10 चीजें झगड़ों से नहीं निपटती। आगे पीछे बैठो, through love, सब कुछ समझ जाता है, हो जाता है। So I think just be a woman. If you're an entrepreneur, just be a woman.
क्या बात है।
And I think you'll solve everything in life.
क्या बात है। So nice. Thank you so much for
you,
being here. And I'm sure जो सुनेंगे ना, they would definitely take a lot of things that they can imbibe in their lives.
I really hope so.
Yes.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for having me here.
My pleasure. Thank you so much.